Delivering modernization Russia's upgraded tanks. The clang of tank tracks echoes across Uralvagonzavod's sprawling factory complex, a testament to Russia's ongoing efforts to modernize its armored forces. Uralvagonzavod, Russia's primary tank manufacturer, has commenced delivery of upgraded T-90M and T-72B3M main battle tanks to the Russian army. These tanks incorporate enhancements designed to enhance their survivability and lethality on the modern battlefield. The T-90M and T-72B3M represent a significant leap forward in technological integration. Over 100 upgrades have been implemented, underscoring the comprehensive nature of this modernization effort. From enhanced protection to improved situational awareness, the upgrades reflect a keen understanding of evolving ground warfare. The modernization program is driven by the realities of the battlefield, underscoring the importance of maintaining a credible armored force. The upgraded tanks are symbols of Russia's industrial might and commitment to equipping its armed forces for modern challenges. Enhanced protection and countermeasures. Key upgrades. Central to the modernization of the T-90M and T-72B3M is a suite of upgrades aimed at enhancing their protection and survivability. Recognizing the proliferation of anti-tank weaponry, Russian engineers have bolstered the tank's defenses against a range of threats. One notable addition is the incorporation of anti-drone nets, addressing the growing threat posed by UAVs. These nets act as physical barriers, disrupting the flight path of incoming drones. Reinforced rubber protection has been applied to critical areas, enhancing resilience against small arms fire and shrapnel. Vital components like the stern, engine, and transmission compartments now benefit from additional armor layers. Modifications to reduce visibility include special camouflage paint schemes that minimize visual and thermal signatures. These measures make the tanks harder to detect and target on the battlefield. The T-90M, a closer look at Russia's main battle tank. The T-90M stands as the pinnacle of Russia's tank modernization efforts, representing a significant leap in combat capability. This war machine combines firepower, protection, and mobility into a highly effective weapons platform. At its heart lies a powerful 125mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing a variety of munitions, including armor-piercing and high-explosive rounds. The tank is also equipped to fire the 9M119 reflex anti-tank guided missile system, extending its reach against heavily armored targets. Advanced thermal imaging sights allow the crew to detect and engage targets effectively in all weather conditions. The tank's protection is enhanced with explosive reactive armor, ERA, which disrupts incoming projectiles and minimizes their penetrating power. This added layer of defense significantly increases the T-90M's survivability against anti-tank weapons. Losses and lessons. Driving modernization in the crucible of conflict. The ongoing conflict has served as a proving ground for military hardware, exposing both strengths and vulnerabilities. For Russia, it has underscored the importance of maintaining a modern and capable armored force. The conflict has highlighted the need to adapt and innovate, incorporating battlefield lessons into future designs. Significant tank losses have spurred a renewed emphasis on modernization, accelerating the production of upgraded T-90M and T-72B3M tanks. Investing in research and development is crucial to maintaining an edge in future conflicts. The conflict has also exposed vulnerabilities in logistics, prompting efforts to streamline supply lines and improve military logistics efficiency.